guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making bacon wrapped hot dogs in our Instant Pot using the air fryer lid. You guys, it's super easy, delicious, great for everybody to enjoy. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. I will have all of the links to the items that I used, and make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But let's go ahead and dive right into making bacon wrapped hot dogs in our air fryer. Alright, so we're going to focus on getting started with the hot dogs and the bacon. I like to just start wrapping. Okay. And then what I like to do is kind of lift my finger underneath the bacon. Just create like a little slit and tuck in that end piece. That way you don't have to use any toothpicks and it stays in place. Alright, so I'm going to do that again. Okay, so I lift my finger underneath. And if you don't want to do this, you can also do the toothpicks. That's fine. Sometimes it can give you trouble. You just pull from underneath. And there you go. We're going to do that for all of them and we'll be back. Okay, so now we have our hot dogs ready, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm using. I'm actually using one of the steamer baskets that I have for my Instant Pot. I am using this basket because I actually found that it's actually very efficient in circulating the air to cook things. It works amazing for chicken thighs, and I will be showing you guys how to do that as well. But today we're doing bacon wrapped hot dogs, and I'm using my steamer basket. If you don't have this, I will leave the link in the description below. You could use your basket. It just might take a little bit longer with the regular basket that comes with it. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm actually going to add the hot dogs to the basket, and I will do a close-up right now so you guys can see. Okay. And if you have more, you can actually stand them up. It's actually great with this basket because it gives you the option to do either or. Alright, let's go ahead and take a closer look. Okay, and here are the bacon wrapped hot dogs. And I love this because it has a silicone handle. I'm going to add our air fryer lid, and we're going to come up here and see it. Okay. The temperature we're going to be doing is air fry for 360 degrees. And we're going to do 15 minutes to start. At the 7-minute mark, that's where we'll flip them. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so 7-minute mark, it's letting us know it's time to turn the food. So I'm going to go ahead and let's lower the camera. Flip them. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and put our lid back on. We'll be back. Alright, so we're about 30 seconds away. We're going to go ahead and take a look. See our perfect hot dogs there. Now I do want to turn them over just a little bit because I see that we could use just maybe another minute or two for the back side. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Alright. Add our lid back on. And do 2 minutes and we'll be back. Alright, so it just ended. It's cooling down. I'm going to take our lid off and bring our hot dogs out. I have buns already, ready to go. Let's get a closer look. Alright, and there we have it. We have our delicious bacon wrapped hot dogs ready to go, made with our Instant Pot air fryer lid. It's that easy, you guys. I love it. Super easy, great for the entire family. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more Instant Pot air fryer lid recipes coming your way on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But that's it, you guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, but until next time, you guys have a great night.